Hi, I'm Brian Donegan, President of Tech Renovations. In this residential roofing segment, I will cover the details of clay and concrete roofing solutions. Clay and concrete roofs can fit a number of different exterior styles of homes. Clay roofing tiles are typically barrel-style tiles, reminiscent of Spanish and Mediterranean homes, but are also manufactured in a wide variety of flat tiles that look like natural slate and wood shake. Concrete roofing tiles can be customized to provide a wide variety of aesthetics. It can be cut into different shapes and matched to whatever color you'd like. Let's cover some of the additional benefits of choosing clay and concrete roofing solutions. They are fire resistant. Both concrete and clay tiles are highly resistant to heat and fire damage. Unlike other building materials, clay and concrete tiles are resistant to flame damage during a fire emergency. In fact, have a Class A fire rating, the highest rating resistance level building material can achieve. They're energy efficient. When it comes to the cost of cooling bills, notably in the blistering heat of the summer, few roofing materials are more heat resistant than clay and concrete tiles. They reflect the sun's radiant heat and insulate the home during the winter. The unique classic curve of clay Spanish tiles also help ventilate heat trapped in a home. Picking up either concrete or clay tiles can save homeowners significantly on the utility bills, especially in the hottest months of the year. They are environmentally friendly. Clay and concrete tiles are constructed from natural materials like clay, water, sand, and concrete. This means they are exceptionally eco-friendly and can easily be recycled. Installing clay and concrete tiles also significantly lower your energy bill, reducing your carbon footprint. And lastly, they have a long lifespan. Most modern roofing materials are made to last for decades. However, clay and concrete roofing tiles have incredibly long lifespans. Clay and concrete roofing tiles have been known to last 50 years and even more. Both clay and concrete roofing tiles can resist damage from hailstones that are larger than a golf ball. Both are tested according to FM 4473 for hail resistancy, and most quality manufactured products meet Class 4 impact resistant ratings. When you're ready to install a new roof or replace an existing one, Tech Renovations is here to help. We provide free consultations and estimates. We also pride ourselves in helping homeowners navigate all technical details and options to ensure they make the right buying decision based on knowledge, their desired roofing requirements, and budget. Tech Renovations has been providing exceptional service to homeowners in both Kansas and Missouri for over 20 years. From roofing inspections to new installations, maintenance and repair, our highly skilled crew of roofing technicians' attention to detail is what sets us apart. We are a Better Business Bureau A+ rated company, Google 5-star rated, certified, licensed, and insured. We partner with only the best roofing product manufacturers in the industry: Geico, Owens Corning, GAF, CertainTeed, Carlisle, Versico, Castagra, just to mention a few. And every roofing project we complete is backed not only by our rock-solid manufacturer warranties, but also by Tech Renovations' own workmanship guarantee. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about all of our residential roofing solutions, to view our work, and request a free residential roofing consultation and estimate. Tech Renovations. We take great pride in providing every customer with our white glove treatment. We look forward to providing you with the very best residential roofing products, service, and satisfaction.